I'm Bianca Signs.
And I'm Matthew Thurman, and we're with the Back to School crew.
We are here to tell you about the best junior highs around.
The principals at Cabot Junior High North are Charlotte Sandage, Amy Butler, and Mike Nash.
The principals at Cabot Junior High South are Dr. John West, Mandy Carmichael, and Lance Schiestel.
Teachers at Junior High South and North are both amazing and not only care about our academic success, but care about us as individuals.
Both schools have a wide variety of clubs, sports, and exciting extracurricular activities to participate in.
Schedules will be released online via the Home Access Center or HAC at 8 a.m. on Thursday, August 5th. If you have forgotten your password or need to make a schedule change, just call your school.
Open house is Thursday, August 12th from 4 to 7 p.m.
And here's some great news. Breakfast and lunch is once again free this year. Also, don't forget to check out the school supply list on your school's website.
And one last thing, if you have a new K-12 student and haven't registered yet, click on student registration at the top of the district website to do it online. For more information, call Central Office at 501-843-3363.
The first day of school is Monday, August 16th. Don't forget to bring your backpack, a water bottle, and your charged Chromebook.
We hope you have a great year. School will be here before we know it.